Well, about 4:45 evening. Fixing the track now. We've got gondola laying there on this side. Tank cars over there somewhere too. RJ Corman's been here and getting ready to go. Where'd that tank car go? That's over there somewhere. Oh, there it is behind the gondola. You can just see the top of the hatch. Right there. Made quite the mess for the day. There is a train waiting to come in the yard way out there past the snowplow. That's the BNSF loader, I think. Nope, that's a Corman thing. Cleaning up. Well, that wasn't too long a shutdown. There we go.